Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NTPC. When you will go to the official website of NTPC, here on the notice board you can see one recruitment of engineering executive trainees 2023 through GATE 2023 has been mentioned here. When you will click on this advertisement, this will be open and let's talk about the details. So they are going to recruit first of all for the post of executive trainees, okay, through GATE 23. When I will talk about the number of vacancies according to the branch, as it is mentioned, in electrical 120 vacancies are there, mechanical 200, electronics and instrumentation 80, civil 30 and mining 65. If you want to see the category wise division of the number of branches, as it is mentioned according to the branch also, okay, so you can see here, if you are from the reservation category, you can see this one also. Okay, if I will come to the essential qualification, so the minimum qualification is required BE BTech in the respective branch with minimum 65% marks plus GATE 2023 scorecard. If you are from SC, ST or PWD category, then if you are having 55% marks, then also it will work for you plus GATE 2023 scorecard. Okay, as these allied branches are mentioned, so for electrical engineering, these are the branches you can see. Before applying, please check your respective branch also. If I will come to the age limit, so age limit is 27 years. This is the upper age limit as on the last date of online application. I will tell you what is the last date. Selection process is purely based on the GATE 23. They will shortlist you directly on the basis of GATE 2023 scorecard for the document verification. So this is clearly mentioned here. You can just see the shortlisted for the document verification on the basis of GATE 23. Okay, now one more thing, if you are appearing for this advertisement, so please be careful with your paper code also in the 23 exam. So this should be your paper code. All right, if I will come to the compensation and package, so there is a 40,000 to 1,40,000 pay scale will be there. Basic pay E1 grade rupees 40,000. Okay, if I will add all the allowances here, then after that it will become 10 lakh per annum, so which is a very good CTC they are providing. Okay, after that placement, before placement you need to go for the 1 year training program also. After that, there across the country you can be anywhere placed in the NTPC. Okay, reservation relaxation, please go through this segment. Service bond will be there. Okay, health, before joining candidates will have to undergo to the medical examination also. All right, how to apply, the steps are mentioned here. So before applying, you need to go for these steps. You need to go for the official website. You need the requirement whatever it is mentioned here. Now one thing that you need to pay, candidates belonging to general, EWS or OBC category need to pay as a application fees 300 rupees. If you are from SC, ST, PWBD or ex-serviceman, then there is no need to pay anything, and if you are a female candidate, then also you are exempted from the application fees. Application fees can be filling through the online or offline mode, so which is mentioned here. Please go through this one. For offline mode, SBI is mentioned here, and for online mode you can go through the debit card, credit card or internet banking also. Now the important thing is the online application process is already started from the 6th October, as today is the 7th, so you can fill shortly, and the last date of online application is 20th October. So be careful for the last date also.